Financial institutions are approaching a hard deadline, deploying AI systems as quickly as possible to manage the scale of modern digital banking. Look at this data showing the current cost of doing business. On one side, global fraud losses have reached $190 billion annually. On the other, compliance teams are spending 42% of their budgets simply processing false positives. The pressure to automate is clear, but the window to act without strict oversight closes in August 2026, when the EU AI Act takes full effect. Under these new rules, automated credit scoring and fraud detection are explicitly classified as high risk. Deploying an unaudited black box model can trigger penalties of 35 million euros, or 7% of global annual turnover. Most institutions are currently on a path toward failure. Gartner predicts that 60% of enterprise AI projects will be abandoned by 2026 due to data readiness and context gaps. Deploying software without these architectural foundations creates a direct path to legal and financial exposure. The current market is saturated with LLM-powered chatbots being packaged and sold as autonomous workforces. A chatbot answers questions. It retrieves documents, summarizes text, and suggests a next step to a human operator who must still execute the work. An autonomous agent executes multi-step workflows across core banking systems. It cross-references entity risk scores, screens sanctions lists, and takes governed actions independently while generating a strict audit trail for every step. Building this level of capability requires a structural foundation known as agentic architecture. This is the minimum requirement for deploying AI in a regulated financial environment. Surviving future regulatory audits requires shifting focus from superficial chat interfaces to the development of a true agentic architecture. The first structural requirement is memory. For an AI to know what is true right now, it needs a system that can handle a dynamic financial environment. This diagram illustrates standard RAG, or stored extract memory. It pulls data from a core system and freezes it into a static block to be read by the AI. It relies on a snapshot of your enterprise data. The system breaks the moment the source data changes. If a finance team redefines a revenue metric in Snowflake, the original system updates, but the memory layer remains unchanged. The frozen block is now obsolete. The agent continues to answer questions based on a definition from 3 months ago. This compounds the error across every downstream reasoning step, producing reports that appear precise but are based on an outdated reality. Active metadata provides the architectural solution to the staleness cycle. Instead of extracting a copy, active metadata connects to your data stack via APIs to perform live reads. When a schema change occurs, that update propagates instantly through the column-level lineage. Grounding agents in this live read metadata yields a 3 times improvement in text-to-SQL accuracy. It is the necessary safeguard to prevent AI hallucinations that lead to systematic reporting errors at inference time. Memory is only half the equation. In complex back-office environments, single-agent tools often fail to engage with the broader operational workflow. A single, specialized agent is effective for highly bounded, repetitive tasks, such as sorting high-volume accounts receivable. However, a workflow like KYC onboarding requires multiple systems to communicate. It involves identity verification, sanction screening, PEP database queries, risk scoring, and CRM updates. This node map shows the architecture required for that level of coordination: multi-agent orchestration. It utilizes a network of distinct, specialized agents. These agents coordinate their efforts. The data acquisition agent verifies an identity, then automatically passes the context to the risk scoring agent. They sequence tasks and cross-reference live data continuously, without human intervention. This structure is the proven method for eliminating the manual spreadsheet escalations and review queues that currently drain compliance budgets. Executing a workflow is only half the job. To satisfy financial regulators, every decision must be fully auditable. To evaluate your own strategy, we can reduce the market noise to a 4-point baseline test for any organization procuring AI. A financial AI agent must possess 4 specific structural capabilities to operate in a regulated environment. The first 2 requirements are live system integration and active metadata capability, ensuring that memory updates via live reads rather than static snapshots. The final two requirements move the system into the zone of regulatory safety, multi-agent orchestration, and an immutable audit trail powered by embedded explainability. If a platform lacks these four pillars, it is restricted to basic support functions and cannot be legally used for core financial operations. Your choice comes down to matching the tool's architecture to your organization's specific risk profile. For agile fintechs focused on customer experience, lightweight tools save time and manage basic support tickets. However, these lightweight tools carry a regulatory ceiling. When you cross into consumer protection, credit decisions, or fraud investigations, they lack the necessary governance. For enterprise banks and compliance officers, the risk profile is different. Core operations like AML and KYC demand the complex integration and transparency provided by agentic architecture. Surviving the 2026 deadlines requires a commitment to these architectural foundations. Compliant, autonomous AI is built through structural investment, not a simple software subscription.